Hi guys, and welcome back to another exciting video. I've been looking forward to filming this video for you guys. It's all about how to get free products, and you don't have to be a beauty influencer or a YouTuber or create videos or anything like that. And that's why I'm doing this video, to show you how I get free stuff. So first of all, I'm going to show you this box that I got for free. I'll also insert a picture regarding another box that I had gotten for free. I actually got a food box. That was my first box that I had gotten for free. And I'll try and insert the picture here so you can see what I got. And essentially what you do is, after you get the box, you use your products and then you review them on the website. So the more that you review them, the more chances of you getting free stuff. So let me show you what I got in this box, and then we'll go into more detail as to what you do, how you get started. And if you just want to skip this video and you want to sign up and already get started, I'll leave the link down below so you can go check it out and see if it's something that you want to do. And I get absolutely nothing out of it. I'm just sharing with you how I get free stuff. So this box that I got for free is from Dr. Brandt, and I get it through this company called Influenster. And so one of the products that you've already seen me use is a full size. It's called Hydrobiotic. It's a recovery sleeping mask, and I've been using this every night in my skincare routine. But I put it back in the box because I just kind of want to show you how it comes packaged, and you can see right there, like, yeah, it's pretty used, but it's full size and it's absolutely amazing. I love it. It's my sleeping mask and I use it every night. So that's the first product that I got for free. It's full size. I mean, and Dr. Brandt, they're expensive products. So yeah, so who wouldn't want to get this for free, right? And that's not all. Okay, so the next thing is, you could tell it's like open because I've used everything. This is the Magnetic Age Defier mask, and it is so cool. I've already used it twice, and it's got probably barely enough left for maybe like one more mask, which I think I used too much in my second mask, but it's okay. It's really cool. I'll try and insert a photo with me with this on. And all you do is you put it a thin layer all over your face, and they put this little spatula. So you use this little spatula, and then they have this magnet, and you put it in a tissue and you literally just run it across your face, and it lifts all the mask off. It is the coolest thing. So yeah, so, and that was for free, right? Super exciting. All right, so those are two things. The next thing I got was this the primer. It is the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer, which this is almost done. Okay, so yeah, it's really pretty. It looks great under your makeup. It makes you look glowy, and it's tinted. I'm not sure you'll be able to see this, but I didn't want to waste it. But anyways, I'm not sure if you can see that, but there's a little bit of a tint to it, so it's actually really nice. So yeah, I got that. Plus, not only did they give me this, but they also gave me some samples like this of that, and also they gave me this Needles No More, which I had one this size, but it's gone and I threw it away. Oops. So this is a 3D volumizing mask. So, and it's called Needles No More, and it's supposed to like puff up your skin so you don't see your fine lines and wrinkles. So all I have are the samples left. and which was, I just love their products. And then they gave me this. I had like 2 more, but I used them. So there's a vitamin C serum right here on top, and then there's a face cream here. So samples, I had more, but I used them. And the last full-size product, which I absolutely love, and I'm almost done, and I probably will repurchase, because what I've noticed is that it does help with my energy level, and it does help with my digestion. So yay. So it's called the Antioxidant Water Booster Triple Power Ingestible Water Supplement. So all you do is, let's see if I can get, yeah, okay. So you fill it up to the level right here. It's like 1 milliliter, and you put it in 8 ounces of water, and you just drink that. It's super yummy. It's like berry, and you get flavored water. It's delicious, and you drink it up, and it's good for you. You can put it in anything. They say you can put it in coffee, tea, your water, your iced tea, or whatever you want. I just put it in water because I drink water anyways, and I don't know, I just prefer to do that. And I do it actually right after my coffee. And yeah, it's just a good time, and you can do it anywhere, but just 8 ounces of water, so you can make sure to get that potent antioxidant inside of you, and there's 0 calories. So all this I got for free. Okay, so let me tell you how I got it for free. So I signed up for Influencer, and like I said, I'll put the link below, and I also have it on my phone. It's an app, and all you do is you fill out like surveys, or you fill out reviews. If you've tried a product, then you go on and you say, oh, I've used Clinique's lipstick, or I've eaten Nature Box. So the reason why I got my first box was a food box is because I reviewed Nature Box, because I get a Nature Box. I subscribe to Nature Box because I love their snacks, and I reviewed it, and probably some other foods, and so they sent me a food box, and so I tried some of their stuff, which I'll insert the picture, and they sent me some fun food stuff for free. And they'll ask you before, they'll say, hey, we're gonna send you this food, you know, some of it includes some spicy stuff. Do you think that if we send it to you, you can review it? And you can either say yes or no. If that's something you don't want to receive, you just say no, thank you. And they'll say, okay, thanks. But if so, then they'll say thank you, you qualify, and they'll ship out your box. So obviously with the skincare stuff, I reviewed like Murad skincare because that's something that I had used before, probably some Lancome, obviously whatever I had reviewed, and they get a gist of what you've tried, and then if there's something in the works, then they'll send you the box. So I was super excited to get this Dr. Brandt box because I am so into skincare right now, taking care of my skin. So it was super exciting getting all the skincare for free. And after I got it, I started using it right away, and then I reviewed it. I took some pictures. If you have an Instagram account, they'll say, you know, they would appreciate some pictures, and then tagging them. So you tag Influencer, and then you tag Dr. Brandt, and they actually, you know, will like your photos and heart them and whatnot. And but you do have to go to their site and say, you know, just leave an honest review of what you thought about their products. If you don't like it, or if it didn't work for you, you know, you can say that. But if you like it, I'm sure they'd appreciate what you liked about it. So the more wordy, the better. But that's essentially how you get free stuff, is you just go on their website and you start reviewing things. Review things that you've already tried. So if you want makeup, go and review Maybelline. I've seen Marc Jacobs. I've seen just so many like high-end boxes, which, oh gosh, I would have died to get like a Marc Jacobs box, and I think they had like an hourglass box. Oh my gosh. But anyway, so maybe a box that you'd like to receive, maybe review something to that effect. So if it's makeup, if it's food, snacks, I don't know, but just go on there, see what other people are reviewing, and if there's something that you want to get, maybe try reviewing those products. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just leave them down below. And yeah, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys.